Hi guys, I wanted to share some food safe wood conditioning tips for you.
Okay, to get a natural patina, I'm using the mystery oil. There's a little bit left in this bottle. And I've got one of my favorites here, black tea. Oh yeah. The chefs drink a lot of tea, consume gallons a day. It's good for you. So I removed the tag from the tea, put that tea in a little ramekin vessel like this, and I'm going to add some boiling water now. Here we go. Just putting a little bit of boiling water. Maybe a tablespoon. Let it steep. About 10 minutes later, I'm going to remove this tea bag. Of course, we'll use it. Make some iced tea out of there. Got this beautiful looking thick tea. I'm going to add that into my oil. Here we go. Quite simple, actually. Open the lid to this oil. Pour a little bit of this tea right in. There we go. Okay, here we go. The maple block, the maple cutting board with the beautiful patina, the board cream, the mystery oil, and the mystery oil with a little tea inside. You can see the color difference right there. All right, chef likes to recycle. Plastic bag. I highly suggest you recycle. This will go right back into my recycle bin and be melted down to make more bags and plastic out of. Here we go, just a few drops like this, little swirl motion. You can see the color in there as well. And just rub it in a circular motion. And I like to do the sides. And on this little sample, of course, we can do the bottom as well. Yeah, it's going to soak right in. Oh yeah. Nice. You can see the color's already transforming a little bit. When I finish, I like to go with the wood grain. Nice even strokes. Okay. Let that rest and come back and check on it in 24 hours. It's going to be beautiful, and it's getting slightly darker. Same with the large block. I put a small amount of the tea-infused mystery oil, rub it in a circular motion. Oh yeah, the whole board. And then I leave it until tomorrow. We'll check it out tomorrow. It's going to be good. Okay, finish off in the same direction as the wood grain. Oh yeah. Really, really nice looking now. Thanks for watching. You can score all these awesome products at your sponsor. Again, that sponsor is right there. Smash the little subscribe button there. Leave a comment. And most of all, get cooking. Have a great day. Wow, that's a beautiful cutting board. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Subscribe and watch the next video. Yes. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. So I've been using this Porsche Turbo quite a few videos and for quite a while now. I really like it. Designed by F.A. Porsche. The Turbo has the blue pearl. The pearl tells you where your hand should stop, and it also stops it in the knife block. I really like this Turbo. It's a cool knife. It's starting to lose its edge. So here, before sharpening, you can see it's resisting the paper. For you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow! It's going to really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm going to eat that. Don't forget, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's going to be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm going to roll this basil up, do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're going to find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's going to be good. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find. Professional quality knives. This one's made in Germany. It's a really old knife. It's still going. I love it. You got to get the channel knife, and of course melon ballers, all different shapes and sizes and styles. And you got to have a stable cutting board. Rock maple. Trust the chefs. Yeah. Slam the like button. Get cooking. Oh yeah. Have a great day. It's gonna be good. Yeah. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Have a beautiful day.